Aerobic exercise for people with chronic pain, specifically those suffering with fibromyalgia. Hi, I'm Dr. Peters with Peters Wellness, Chiropractic and Massage, and in this week's quick video, I want to discuss aerobic exercise for chronic pain, but again, specifically people with fibromyalgia. There was a study done in 2002 out of the British Journal of Medicine, and it showed the comparison of people with fibromyalgia doing aerobic activity for 12 weeks and then another group who did relaxation classes for 12 weeks. And trust me, I'm an advocate of relaxing and taking it easy, but also we got to make sure that we balance out with some physical activity. And in this study, they found that the people rated themselves who did the aerobic portion of it either much better, and the wording they used in it was very much better, which is weird, but much better or very much better in comparison to the people who did the relaxation classes who had fibromyalgia. And the neat thing and interesting thing about the study is they followed up 1 year later and found that the people were still doing better. So aerobic activity, the key for people, especially with fibromyalgia, is to start off gradually. Okay, if they actually talk about in there where it might just be literally walking down a few houses and coming back. Because when people have fibromyalgia, it can be to a point where, literally walking from the parking lot to an office or into a grocery store or something like that can be tiring and painful. So obviously you have to start very slow and gradually work yourself up more. So if you walk 5 houses down and back, maybe the next day do 6 houses down, then 7 houses down, and stay at that for 3, 4, 5 days until you can do another house and feeling better in doing that. So pick up this week's Optimal Health University or find it on my blog post and read about how chronic pain can be helped by aerobic activity. And remember, it's a new year, new excitement. I hope you've got plans for how you can make your life better, whether you have chronic pain or not. So have a great week.